Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L, headed to Ramseur for my weekly appointment. Right lane, closed 1 mile. They give us such early warning, don't they? So that means they're doing the electric refurb. The electric refurb in Ramseur continues. Did you see the red nap sign? See the stuff here on the right? It's the water towers. Yeah, water towers. They're like electrical plants. Something like that. Yeah. They're hiring. Yeah. Oh, I can see the cranes. I got to get over. Wait a minute, the ones behind me are already shifting lanes. I got to get over. Nobody's behind me now. Yeah, I don't want to bump into these guys. Yep. Okay, one guy's turning into the gas station. Okay, that guy finally shifted over at the last second. Boy, they're really up there. See the orange stuff up there? That's to protect them from momentary touching it. Ooh, they reinforced that pole. Ooh, look up the orange there. If they leave those orange things on there, it means they've done some preliminary work, but they're needing to come back for some final hookup. So why take it down? Oh, wait a minute, there's another crane ahead. We're being double teamed today. Something like that. The Walgreens here is a mini pharmacy. It used to be across the road, but that's now a charity donation store. Goodwill. I haven't been in there yet. I got to do that. See what it's like. See what they have. Maybe they finished work on this. Oh, you see the lines? They're stringing the lines. You see them on the spools? Boat for sale. Okay, that's it. I got to make a turn here. Steve AB4L, finished running his mouth, being nosy, saying see you in 73.